Okay, good morning everyone. So we'll continue with chapter 7 civics. Chapter 7 civics, social aspects of gender. Okay. Is the board visible and I am audible to everyone? Okay, fine. So, what we discussed Hermit's story in our previous chapter, right? So we discussed Hermit's story in previous chapter, right? So in that, what was there? Actually, the housework is not considered. It is not considered real work, right? So this is what we discussed in the previous class by a story of Hermit. How Hermit was thinking that his mother does not work, right? Yeah, as per Hermit, his mother was not working. But in fact, when it came to work at home, his father and all the children, they were thinking that how tough is to do the household work. So basically what happens in the family, the people do not respect or value the household work. Understood? That is not considered as the real work. If a woman is working 12 hours per day at home, that is not valued. But if a man is working 6 hours outside, or if women also they are working outside 6 hours, that will be considered as work, right? What happens, it is across the world, it is not only in India, it is across the world. So what happens everywhere, we think that housework is the natural work of women, natural responsibility of women. Then caregiving task, caregiving task which our mother used to do at home. Now looking after the family, these works are considered the natural responsibility of a woman. That means if there is a girl child at home, it is considered that they have to do all this work as their responsibility. Okay, like household work, whatever you have, cleaning clothes, washing dish, cooking food, all those things. Now caregiving tasks, take care of the family member, take care of the children at home. Now if someone is sick at home, you have to take care of that also, right? And there is no time limit in that. Suppose if a mother's child is sick at night 12 o'clock, will she tell that I cannot work for you at 12 or night because my timing is over? Is this ever happened with you? I don't think so. No mother would be telling that if my child is sick at night 12 o'clock, I am not going to take care of that child because my working hour is finished, it is completed. So if you see these caregiving tasks, taking care of the family member, it take a lot of effort, right? You have to be ready every time. If any family member is sick at night, the women have to take care, right? Now in that scenario, It is not that the woman is not working. If someone is sick and you keep a nurse to take care of that person, you have to pay the nurse and they will charge high, right, for the same work. But your mother, who is there at home, she is working day and night to take care of the family. If you keep a maid to wash your clothes, to wash dishes, or to cook food, you will pay high to that maid. But the same work is being done by your mother, and it is not valued. Right? Most of the time, it is not valued. It is considered that women are not doing anything at home. Their work is not valued. That is wrong. Right? Actually, women are doing this work because of their love towards their family, their affection towards their family, right? Not because it is natural responsibility of a woman, right? So at least if they are doing with love and affection, we should at least value their work, right? Their work should not be devalued, correct? Is there any question till now? Anyone? Till in this topic, is there any question? Anyone? Any question, anyone? Okay, so let's continue. Okay, now we will discuss about lives of domestic workers. Okay, now if you see, we take the example of Hermit's family, as we have already discussed about the story of Hermit, right? So in Hermit's family, what happened? Who were the people, who were the family members doing household work? Can anyone tell me? In Hermit's family, who were the member doing household work? Can anyone give me the answer? If anyone remembers, does anyone remember? Who were the family members in Hermit's family doing household work? Don't search, only you need to recall. Okay. Hermit's mother. Upasna Bharti, very good. Hermit's mother was doing the household work. Such an easy answer. Like in any of the family, obviously mother is doing the household work, right? Such a easy answer. Okay. Hermit's mother. Her name was Jaspreet. No one remembers nothing. Okay, Jaspreet. One more person was doing household work at Hermit's house. That was Mangala. I told when I was telling you the story, I told that Mangala is the domestic helper at Hermit's family and she was on leave that day. Right? Jaspreet was on strike and Mangala was on leave. And now it was time to for the children and Hermit's father to take care of the house. And what they did with the house? They made it look like some earthquake came in the house. Right? So Mangala is domestic worker at Hermit's house. Okay. Now, if you see, what happens if you go to rural areas, villages and all? In rural areas, the trend of domestic worker is less. In rural areas, trend of domestic workers is less. Because what happens in villages, the women mostly do their household work themselves, right? If you would have seen the villages, any one of you, you can just connect these all things. If we go to village, mostly we find that the women of the family do their household work, right? But when we go to cities, when we talk about urban areas, in urban areas you will find that many of the women are working women, that means they work outside. And if they are working, if they are a homemaker, still many of women, they keep domestic workers for help. So in urban areas you will find more of the domestic workers. Okay. So, if we talk about the rural area, domestic workers is less. Most of the women do their own work. And if we talk about the urban areas, the domestic workers, you will find more of the domestic workers, because many of the people prefer to keep the domestic worker for the support, right? Now, what these domestic workers do? What is their work? Basically, sweeping and cleaning, then washing clothes, and dishes. I hope you can see this. Dishes. Now, looking after young children or the elderly. Now, these are the works for which people keep domestic helpers. So, what is that work? Sweeping and cleaning, washing clothes and dishes, looking after young children, also looking after the elder people at home, right? In the family, whoever are elder, looking for their needs. So these all work is done by domestic workers who are there, kept at the home, right? Also, if domestic worker is not there, who is going to do this work? This is the responsibility of the woman of the house, right? Is there any question till here? Anyone? Any kind of question till now? Okay. No questions? Okay. So now, who are employed as domestic workers? Now, we understood where is the need of domestic worker. So basically, when we compare rural and urban area requires more domestic workers. If we compare, right? Now, we talked about the need of domestic worker. We talked about work of domestic worker. Why do we need domestic worker? What they do at our home, that also we discussed. Now the thing is, who are employed as domestic workers at home, right? So not only women, it is not that only women will be kept as the domestic worker, okay? In fact, women, boys and girls are employed as workers. So not only women, in fact boys and girls are also employed as workers. Now you would be thinking what boys will do. So you would have seen that for bringing vegetable to buy some items from the shop, many people keep boys at home, right, as domestic workers. So they are also kept so that they can do the work of outside, right? Can do the gardening and all, look after other things. So for that, boys are also kept as domestic worker at home. Understood? Now we will talk about how is the life of domestic worker. This is, we talked about the need and work, who will be the domestic worker, those questions. Now we will understand how is the life of domestic worker. Okay, so if you see there, if you see domestic workers, they work for a very long period, very long hours. Why they work for, how they work for very long hours? So suppose there is a woman, okay, who is working as a domestic worker. Do you think she is not having her child, her family, or her work at home? She would be having work at her own home, right? So she cannot keep a domestic worker for herself, right? If a lady is working as a domestic worker, she cannot keep a domestic worker for herself at her home. She has to first finish the work which of her home, and then she has to do the others work, right? Like this they manage. So in that case, if you see, they are doing double or triple work. Many of the domestic workers, you will find they wash clothes or wash dishes as at many homes, not only one, but at many homes. So like that they are working twice or thrice, if we compare, twice or thrice more than the usual work, right? So in that scenario, if we see, they are working for more hours but their wages is low. They get low wages. They do not get wages as per their work, right? More of the work they have to do and less of the money they will get. Understood? Now, hard work. Hard work. So, if you see, now you people are studying, okay? If you will study hard today, and that is also not a very difficult job to do, right? You need to sit, you need to concentrate, and after that also your mother would be serving you food and everything, right? And still you people feel that it is very difficult to uh, study. Only you need to sit and concentrate, so that work you find very difficult. But once you study properly during this time period, during your study time period, you will get good job, right? Good job opportunity. As you know, as higher you will study, as you will get the higher education, as per your education you will get the job. Yes or no? The people who are getting minimum education, they will get job according to their experience, according to their education. If you will study well and you will get many of the higher degrees, you will get job like that. So in that scenario, what happens, we see that education plays very important role in our growth and development. Yes. So now if you will study well, your future will be bright. You will get good job, less of the work you need to do, more of the money you will get, right? This thing happen or not? It happens. But in their scenario, what is there? If you compare the life of domestic workers, In starting also they have to struggle because their financial condition is not good. Why they will work as domestic worker if their financial condition is good? They would not be having money for education. That is why they are domestic workers. Yes or no? If you will be educated, will you do the work of domestic worker? You will not do the work of domestic worker. You will search job as per your education. Yes or no? So if they are domestic worker, you would understand that they have not educated well. They are not educated. That is why they are doing the work of domestic worker. So their financial condition was not good. That is why they were not educated. Now they are working as domestic workers. So in their starting life also they struggled, and now also for rest of their life they have to do a very hard work with low wages. The whole life, if you see, they have to work really hard with less money. So like this, what will happen? Suppose if you will get good job after your education, very high salary, you will save money, right? If you will have very high salary, 30 years, sorry, yes, 30 years or 35 years you will work, and for rest of the life you can save money. Yes or no? But in their situation, till the time they are alive, they are physically able to work, they have to work because they don't have money so that they can do fulfill their all the needs, and after that they can save. There will be no saving, right? So whole life they have to work very hard. Understood? So is there any question till now? Have you understood this topic or not? Any questions? Anyone understood the life of domestic worker? And will you able to compare the life of domestic worker with the educated person? Okay. Now next thing is we will understand a story of Melanie. Now you would be thinking, who is Melanie? Okay. So Melanie is actually a domestic worker. She is having a daughter, small daughter, 3-4 years daughter. Now she work at a home. Now the woman for whom she is working, she is very very strict. Okay, she is very very strict. She has 3-4 domestic workers over there at her home, and Melanie is one of them. Now 3-4 workers, these 3-4 domestic workers, they do different work. Melanie's work is in kitchen. Okay, she need to take care of the kitchen, she need to cook and take care of the kitchen. So Melanie is working in kitchen, others are working in other department, like someone is doing cleaning, someone is doing washing dishes, like that, or someone will take care of the family, that means small children and all, like that. The work is being divided among the house workers. Okay, so in that Melanie's work is to take care of the kitchen. Now how is the behavior of the woman, the lady where Melanie works? That woman is very strict. She every time shouts on them. She starts shouting on them every time. Now, when it is time to eat, these house workers get food from food there only. Okay, so when it is time to take food, it is allowed only 1 or 2 chapati, not more than that. These women have to work whole day, but they will only get 1 to 2 chapati, not more than that. It is not allowed. Okay. Now, if you see the floor, in winters it is very cold. Now they are not allowed to put on slippers and go on the floor, whether it is extreme cold. So she always humiliate these domestic workers. So do you think this kind of behavior should be there if someone is working at your home? If someone is helping you in your household work, how should be your behavior? Like Milani's honor. Do you should you behave like that? You should always humiliate them. No, we should not do that. If someone is working at our home as a household worker, that doesn't mean that person is not having any respect. We should respect that person, right? So, in that case, if you see, this is the common behavior people are having with their housemates. But it should not be done like that. We should value them, right? So, if you see, these people are working at their own house, they are doing their own housework, and again they are working at others' house. So, if you see, their work is really tough, very hard work they are doing, and still they are getting very less wages. Now, if you see, many of the work need very heavy physical work. If you need to wash clothes, you like today you have washing machine, but everyone is not having washing machine, no. So in those houses they have to wash with the hand, so it need a lot of effort, lot of physical strength, right? So these household work many times need more physical strength, right? Now if you see, okay, if you see, today we have everywhere hand pumps and wells and water pump, everything we have, right? But still there are some places where people have to fetch water from very far of the place, right? So what happens, they have to go to long distance, they have to carry the water on their head, right? So that kind of situation is still there in some places, on earlier it was there, right? Now in rural areas if you see, women and girls heavy loads of firewood. Today you see gas stove at your home, and with the lighter you can just put on the fire, right? And you can cook very easily. But in villages now the things are changing. Now many things have been changed, but if we compare not more only 10 years back, we will find many villages where gas stove was not available, LPG was not available. So in that case the girls have to carry the firewood, heavy loads of firewood, so that the food can be cooked, right? So these all tasks need a lot of strength, lot of physical stamina, right? This all work is very hard work. Now, if you see standing for long hours in front of hot stoves, now the whole day in winter it is not a very big problem, but in summers, in extreme summers, when you are sweating from everywhere, in that case what happens, the mothers of the house, they have to stand in front of gas stove for long hours. So what will be their situation? And if you go into the kitchen in summers, you will find, I don't know if you have ever went to kitchen or not, so just try this. In summers, just go into the kitchen and you will feel that you are into an oven. Such a hot place it will be. So that kind of hard work the women are doing. Caregiving, I already explained that caregiving task, you cannot say that this is not my working hour. Anytime you have to be ready, right? And that is not that it is a natural responsibility, that is because of the love women do, right? So here what conclusion comes? The conclusion is housework plus outside work is equal to more working hours. So here we find that the life of domestic workers, they work at their own house, they work outside, that means others house. So like this, if you see, they are working for more hours, for a very long hours. Okay, so like this, if you see, their work is very hard, their life is very hard, they are working for very long hours. So we should not actually devalue that, we should actually value their work, we should not misbehave with them, right? So thank you all for today. If you have any question, please go through today's topic, and if you find any question, please clarify it in next class. Okay. Thank you everyone for today.